In a busy village placed between green hills and a wide, fast-flowing river, there lived a master weaver named Elara. People knew her not only because she made strong and beautiful cloth, but also because of the way she thought about life. Every morning before touching her loom, Elara walked into her small garden. She breathed the cool morning air and calmly thought about three good things from the day before. She remembered laughing happily with her grandson, watching a bright orange sunrise in the sky, and seeing a customer smile with true satisfaction after buying her cloth. Elara did not spend much time thinking about broken threads or small delays in dye delivery. Instead, she collected these happy moments in her mind. She believed these moments were like golden threads, very important for weaving both cloth and life. Elara had a neighbor named Kale, who was also a very skilled weaver. Kyle's hands were excellent, and his work was almost perfect, but his way of thinking was very different. Kyle always focused on problems. If one thread was placed wrongly, he thought about it for hours. He worried too much about market prices, complained about wet weather that slowed his work, and often talked about how heavy life felt. Even though his cloth was technically perfect, it felt heavy and without warmth. One year, a strong and sudden flood came to the village. Water destroyed many homes and looms, including Elara's and Kale's. The villagers were shocked and heartbroken. Kale felt completely broken. He saw only destruction and believed rebuilding was impossible. He sat in the wet mud, crying about his loss, unable to move forward because of his negative thoughts. Elara also felt pain when she saw her damaged home and loom. But while cleaning the mud, she remembered her golden threads. She thought about how the villagers had worked together earlier to build the river wall. She remembered how strong the old wooden beams of her house still were. She looked into people's eyes and saw courage and hope. Elara spoke to the villagers with a calm and strong voice. She said, "We still have strength, our hands are still here, our skills are still here, and most important, we still have each other." Then Elara began to act. She used her positive thinking to make a clear plan. She asked the strongest villagers to save and collect useful materials. She told the cooks to prepare food for everyone in one place. She asked other weavers to use the working looms to make new cloth that could be sold for money. Slowly, the village started to move again. Kyle watched Elara closely. He slowly joined the work, but something inside him changed. He saw how Elara's focus on good things, solutions, teamwork, and hope gave energy to everyone. Her thinking did not help only herself, it helped the whole village. With time, the village was rebuilt faster and stronger than before. Elara's new cloth, made with unity and hope, became brighter and more valuable than ever. Kel learned an important lesson. Skill and hard work are important, but real strength comes from positive thinking. Choosing to focus on good things does not remove problems, but it gives courage, hope, and connection to repair what is broken and to weave a strong and beautiful life.
If this story touched your heart, please like and subscribe. Your support inspires me to create more motivational stories. Do share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for being with me.